Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
कैसे आए कैसे कैसे बजेगी सीटी
अगर हर हिस्सा बराबर गर्म ना हो तो कैसे बजेगी सीटी? जब हो सैंडविच बॉटम जो दे एल्यूमिनियम की गर्माहट और स्टेनलेस स्टील की स्वच्छता, पेश है विनोद स्टेनलेस स्टील प्रेशर कुकर।
सीटी बजेगी ऐसे।
विनोद स्टेनलेस स्टील प्रेशर कुकर।
Well, I can already tell it's gonna be one of those kind of games again. I never get any luck. $7.99, $44. Just a machine cut label for $5. They have a stick. Oh, they got an award patch. Do you guys have an award patch for this thing? I couldn't find the commercial. Oh, there's an award patch for this thing. I never knew that. Alright, let's keep on going. And then Twin Galaxies again, just because I'm going after high score eventually. I don't know what's going to happen. Hey, Plus guys, you can get a freebie. I gotta go the hard way. I gotta go with this one, I think. 16 records. Oh, please don't be there. Steve Gertzman. Yeah, Garrett. This guy made this in 2019. It's time to knock him down. Garrett made his in 2019. Time to knock him down. Nadlin, I played him before. 2020, time to knock you down. But you do have 100% here, so this game can be won. Alright, game on. Okay, Pressure Cooker by Activision. It doesn't look like a pressure cooker. Okay, things fall down, piece of bread comes. I'm a hamburger maker. This isn't a pressure cooker. Okay, that's cheese. Buns. This is burger time. Then I deliver the. Okay. Alright, game on. The controls don't work. Now they do. Why did it take so long for the controls to work? Oh, I gotta. You get 2 pieces of bread. Can I throw the bread away? I can't throw the bread away. What do I do here? Okay. My food containers aren't coming out. I can't get my bread on the table. Wait. Give me more bread. Alright, I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing here. I thought I was making a hamburger. Oh, wait. This is where I'm supposed to drop stuff. I don't have anything to drop. Yeah. Fun. This is not pressure cooker. This is... Oh man, I'm 2 minutes in this game. I'm still trying to figure it out. Oh god, thank god I'm dead.